How's the saying go? Out with the old, in with the new. Well, in my hands, you kind of see that, and that's sort of how that worked with Rolex Datejust. This is the ladies 26 millimeter. Both of them are going to be very similar. Of course, they're going to be different reference numbers. When you look at them firsthand, you may not notice a whole heck of a lot of difference, but as you can see, Rolex actually is timeless in the sense that this one, even though it's the newer watch, doesn't look a whole lot different than this, but there are some slight variations that you may want to know about. Both of these are going to be gray, silver, the silver dial. They're very monochromatic, so they got this very dressy appeal to them. They both have Jubilee bands, but you see this one has the hollow center links. This one has the solid construction center links. And this one also is going to have the blade clasp versus the hidden clasp on this newer reference. So this is a 5-digit, just for your reference, this is a 5-digit 79174. And then of course on this one it is a 6-digit reference at 197174. So they're very similar, but come check them out at Swiss Watch Expo and make up your mind which one you like the most.